In today's video, I'm going to share how to revive an old looking Christmas tree, and my one is 5 years old. I'm going to share all the tips and tricks. I hope you enjoy. Very first thing I do after putting all the layers around, I fluff to make it look fuller. I bought mine from Tesco a few years ago, as I said, either 4 or 5 years ago, and I actually flocked it myself. Majority of the artificial snow still on the branches, and I really love the effect. However, every year I shed some, and this is the situation. But don't worry, they are reactivated with water. I usually pick up the big pieces, make sure it's clean, place it over the branches. Then my secret weapon is this lino spray. I really love the smell of this lino spray. You can easily create your own. It serves two purposes. One is to reactivate the adhesive on the snowflake and fix it back on the branches, and the other one, getting rid of that dusty smell of an old tree. Let it dry and then tackle with your lighting. If your old tree is pre-lit, don't do spraying, because you should never mix water with electricity, as you know. My purple and white fairy lights from Amazon as well as AliExpress. One of them is from Amazon and the other one is from AliExpress, and they work perfectly together. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your day so far. I'm so happy that you came back to watch my Christmas tree this year. I was hoping that I would find loads of black baubles, but unfortunately I couldn't, so I will be using my old ones with some very few new ones instead. Let's tackle with the baubles. I have this big giant box full of baubles, and let's see what we can do this year. I bought these hooks from the range store. It makes clustering baubles so much easier. Clustering would give you instant results, and also it would take less time. I normally start decorating my tree with my precious baubles, and then I go in and fill up the gaps with less precious ones. If you are new to my channel, my name is Shule and I really love decorating my home. I hope you can join to my YouTube family for more relaxing and inspirational home decor related videos. I'm continuing with the black theme along with my usual colors. Instead of using a whole ribbon roll, I cut them into pieces and I'm going to place them diagonally in and out, so it will look like I've been using the whole roll. Use branches to fix them both at the top as well as at the bottom, and this method will save you a lot of money. This beautiful white ribbon was $5.99 for the roll. I bought it from HomeSense and I had to use one, and I still have plenty left over. I found black ribbon, but it was so difficult to find black baubles. I managed to find eventually, but only small ones, glass ones in HomeSense, and I paid $12.99 for this pack. I have few options for the toppers. This beautiful one is from B&M, I believe, or maybe Range. I really don't remember. It's all silver glitter. It looks like green, but it's not green. As I was recording this, my husband was watching a football match, so green pitch reflected on my sequins.
next year. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
This is my first attempt. I don't like it. I didn't like the black with silver ribbon, so I'm going to change it, and I am just going to insert these picks that I bought from Hobbycraft. Let's make a funky bow as the topper, and this way it will coordinate with the rest of the tree. I'm using two different ribbons. This one is from HomeSense, as I said, and I'm cutting 4 strips from each. The other one is a lot cheaper, only £1 for the roll, and it is a see-through one. After dovetailing both ends of all ribbons, I'm just going to layer it one by one, alternating the directions of it. And I'm not twisting, as you can see. I will do all the twisting after tying it. I'm using a long pipe cleaner. The reason why I'm using a long one, because it will help me to tie it around the tree as well. Then you fluff, fluff, fluff until you are happy with the shape. And I'm just going to place it under this topper, and it will look something like that. As I was finishing my tree, it was snowing as well, picture perfect. And here's the reveal. I prepared loads of Christmas decor, so don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be first to notified as soon as I do upload.